Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I just got in. Let me show you. I'm so excited. I'm going to open it. I'm going to try to put it together here later. Maybe it's upside down. I don't know. But I have the Westcott Eyelighter too. I've only been on this thing for about the last 3 years. And so finally, Christmas rolled around and it's like, why not? I think this is what I want. And it came in a few days early. So I'm going to unbox it and see what we get. I really can't wait to use this thing. Shout out to Westcott. Hey, thank you. All right, so this is the carrying case. That's pretty neat. Hopefully I learn how to break it down because they say it's easy to break down and you could take it with you on the go. So if I can take this outdoors and use it, it'll be wonderful. Okay, this is nice. Oh, that's pretty big. So that's the reflector portion. I'm going to put it together and I'm going to use it in the shoot. And once I do, then I'll upload that video for you all to see. This is what's all in here. Okay, and these look like the rods, the curved rods. Okay, might not be too bad to put together. It has a little push button. There's one. It has 4 of them. I would put it together on video for you, but I don't know how long it's going to take me, so I won't have y'all sit and wait on me to complete that. And that's my 4th rod. Okay, so that's 2 more beams. Let's see. So there are those 2. This must be the stand that's going to allow it to tilt. So this is the spine. I think this is what they are calling the spine. It feels durable. It's metal. It's heavy. And this, oh, okay, I see. So it's adjustable here. And then it allows you to move it. I'm going to lock that back up. And so there is that. And so when I come back, I will have it all set up and put together. It comes with a cool user manual. So hopefully it doesn't take me too long to get it put together. And I can't wait to show you what I get with it.